Hi everyone, welcome back. The other day one of my viewers was asking if you can actually take pictures while you're doing FPV with the DJI Neo, and the answer is yes. And today we're going to do some pictures with the Motion 3 and with the controller 3, so stick around. Okay, we have just switched over in the goggles. It's in camera mode. Now on the controller, let me move forward a little bit. Okay, on the controller you'll see your button here, and that's your shutter. You can snap a picture. Let's do that. All right. Okay. Let's go over here. Let's get a nice picture of the trees and the clouds. Okay, let's snap a picture. It's a little bit windy today, so I'm not sure how these photos are going to come out, but we're going to take some photos anyway, just to show you. And then we're going to do some flying around here. Okay, now guys, if you're using your motion controller, it would work in the same way. You would go into your goggles and you would switch it over to camera mode, and on the side of your Motion 3 you'll see this little button here. That would be your shutter. You would just click that and snap your photos. Anyways guys, that was just a little demonstration of how to take photos while you're flying FPV with the DJI Neo. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next Neo.